back to the channel. It's that moment we've all been waiting for so very long. First time in 3 years, we get to celebrate the best holiday in all of the planet. I can't think of another country that has a cooler freaking holiday. That is the one, the only Songkran Festival here in Phuket, Thailand. Now, we haven't been able to celebrate because of the pandemic. No social gathering, blah, blah, blah. Take that. That's in the past. So this year, I'm pretty sure everybody's doubling down on the fun activities. If you don't know what Songkran is, it is a giant water festival. People, buckets of water, big squirt guns like this, and just go around and have a blast in the street. Everything shuts down. You can even splash the police with water. That's right, they won't do anything. Everybody is enjoying themselves. This is a time, no fighting, no drama, no working, no worrying about tomorrow. The best holiday on the planet, literally. Streets are lined up with people on the side of the road, having a good time, partying, throwing water on each other. I'm gonna go to Bangla Road, because that's where the real action is, really, in the armpit of it all. So the point of Songkran is actually a Thai New Year, based on the Buddhist calendar. It's also believed that the ritual of being hosed down with water is kind of cleaning yourself for the new coming year, getting rid of all the bad things that happened maybe last year and bring on a fresh start. Okay, so that's where it originally began, and now it's kind of like a party tradition all at once. If you know a holiday that's cooler than Songkran, please let me know. Anyways, let's go check it out. We're gonna head to Bangla Road. That's just, can't think of a better place really than Bangla Road. So let's do it. Bang. Got off the road, got soaking wet already. Right in the face. They got ice cold water out here. You gotta be careful. It's all good until you get sprayed with that cold water. They got ice cold water. It is terrible. This is the shit I'm talking about. Ice cold water. This should be banned, man. Ice cold water. Songkran? Did you have fun? Yeah? Did you play? Okay, did you have fun, Mommy?
I do.
You do? There you have it, Songkran 2023. God, it's great to see people out really enjoying this holiday. Probably more than any other Songkran, this is more special to the Thai people and the local expats than I think any other Songkran way. Wouldn't it be? It's been 3 years. I can't handle a whole lot, old man. You know, I can hang out for an hour or two and then gotta go. I feel like I got hit by a brick or something. I'm exhausted. I am seriously really tired.
One cocktail.
I had one drink and that's it for me. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, the little video. There's not going to be a lot of commentary. Couldn't really talk while I was walking. Music was blaring everywhere. But I put together a small little highlight. This is a simple video anyways. Thank you. Till next time.